Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm in the 2024 Honda Ridgeline. It has the new standard across all trim levels 9-inch center screen or the touch screen right here. And on all trim levels, you're going to have wireless pairing for your smartphone. So it doesn't matter if you have the Sport all the way up to the Black Edition or everything in between. I'm going to show you how easy it is to pair your smartphone. So we're going to go beyond that screen right there. And this is so easy, it's almost as simple as boiling water. You really don't need anyone to show you. But just to be safe, I'm going to go ahead and do it. So we're going to search for a device that's going to give you all of the information that you need to do this. And you can see that my iPhone came up right here. So we're going to go ahead and pair that. We'll select that. And the pairing code comes up. I'm going to select pair on my phone. We'll also select allow right there. And we're just following the instructions. That's all you have to do. And last but not least, we will have a prompt come up right here that's going to ask if I want to use Apple CarPlay or not. And obviously select yes right there. And basically that's it. You will need to select use CarPlay on your phone, and that's basically it. It's that simple. My phone is now paired. Very easy to do. You don't need your USB cable anymore. It isn't tethered. Pretty simple. Hope that helps you out in case you were looking for this tutorial. And if you were looking for another tutorial on one of these Honda vehicles or maybe something else, tell me down in the comments section and I'll make that tutorial for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video.